Okay, moving on to question 7. Fair dice is rolled, find the probability of 4. Well, a fair dice is rolled, the possible outcome in the sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So probability of 4 will just be 1 of 6, because we have one outcome that has a 4, and in total we have 6 possible outcomes. Probability of an even number will just be 1 half, right? Because half of the numbers here are even. So it will be 3 out of 6. And then you simplify that to a half. Probability of a number less than 3. So 1 and 2 are less than 3. That's 2 out of 6. And we simplify to 1/3. And the probability of odd number less than 4. Odd and less than 4. So less than 4, we have 3, 2, 1. Odd, just 2 of them. That's 2 out of 6. And we simplify this to 1/3. E, probability of a not 5. Well, not 5 is just all the other ones, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. So there's 5 of them. And again, the total possible outcome is 6. Moving on to question 8. 2 fair dice are rolled. Find the probability to get a sum of 6. So we have a 2 event. So 2 event, we can create a two-way table. This is dice number 1. And dice number 2. So they are mainly looking for sums when I look at the question. So I'm just going to go ahead and add them up. 1 plus 1 is 2. That's 1 plus 1 is 2. And then 1 plus 2 is 3. And then I will just continue. So in A, they are asking me, what is the probability of a sum of 6? So these are, I see a diagonal pattern. There's 5 of them. I already know that the total is 36 because I was using the shortcut. I have 6 possible outcomes in dice number 1 and 6 possible outcomes in dice number 2. So 6 times 6 is 36. So the probability of sum of 6 is going to be 6. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be 5 over 36. B. Probability of doubles. Doubles just means 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Right? That's a 1, 1 to get to the 2. So we only have 6 doubles. That's 6 out of total possible outcome is 36 again. I can simplify this to 1 out of 6. C. We want probability of a sum of 7 or 11. So these are the 7s. These are the 11s. If we add it up, we get 8. And then we can divide both of them by 4 to get 2 over 9. D. Sum of less than 6. I mean less than 5. So sum of less than 5 will be these ones. The 4s, the 3s, and the 2s. So we have 6 out of 36. Let's simplify this to 1 over 6. So greater or equals to 9. So it will be these ones. We have 6 plus 4 is 10. So that's 10 out of 36. We can divide both of them by 2 to get 5 out of 18. And that's it for question 8. Moving on to question 9. A box contains 5 tickets number 1 to 5. If one ticket is selected, find the sample space. Well, the box is number from 1 to 5, right? That has 5 tickets number 1 to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probability of an even number. We see 2 of the numbers that are even, 2 and 4, and we have 5 total possible outcomes. Probability of odd number is going to be 3 out of 5. So 1, 3, and 5 are odd out of 5 total possible outcomes. Greater than 2. So 3, 4, 5 are all greater than 2. That's 3 out of 5. Less than or equal to 2. Just 1 and 2. So that's 2 out of 5. Very straightforward. This question. 10. A marble is drawn from a bag containing 8 black, 5 white, 4 green, and 3 red. So we have a bag. Yeah, let's say this is the bag. 8 black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 white. I'll use gray for whites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 green. 2, 3, 4, and 3 red. So the NS is just a number of possible outcomes in the sample space. So that should be 8 black plus 5 white plus 4 green plus 3 red. And we just add it up. We get 20. The probability of black is going to be 8 black out of 20 total possible marbles. We can divide both of them by 4, the numerator and denominator, to get 2 out of 5. White or red. So white we have 5, red we have 3, and this is out of 20. So we get 8 out of 20 again. We simplify this to 2 out of 5. So for not green, we have a total of 20, minus 4 of them are green. So not green will be 16. And then we simplify this, divide both of them by 4, to get 4 out of 5. White or green or red. So 5 white, 4 green, and 3 red out of 20 marbles. That's 12 out of 20. And then divide both of them by 4 to get 3 out of 5. And that's it for question 10. I will see you in the next page to go over question 11 and 12. See you soon.